Today, let us look at the 13th sloka of the Vishnu Sahasranamam and followed by it the detailed meaning of this sloka. Om Brahmanyam Sarvadharmagnyam Lokanam Kirtivardhanam Lokanatham Mahadbhutam Sarvabhuta Bhavodbhavam. Let's look at the meaning of this shloka. Brahmanyam Sarvadharmagnyam Lokanam Kirtivardhanam Lokanatham Mahadbhutam Sarvabhuta Bhavodbhavam.